Hello, everyone. We are starting a noob to pro. Let's get our hive. Let's open a basic egg. Of course, a basic bee. Anyways, let's get our first quest. This is basically the easiest quest in the game. It's called Sunflower Start. All you have to do is get 200 pollen from sunflower feed. But wait, let's talk about the goals for this noob to pro. Goals: any end game tool. Get 50 bees to level 20, get 1 quadrillion lifetime honey. Get this under 125 days of playtime. Let's redeem some codes. Cue a grinding montage. After some offline grinding, we got a silver egg. I'll show you how far we get after an hour. So this is how far we got after an hour. I'm going to do some off-camera grinding now. We're at the pro shop now. I think I'm going to get the compressor, then get 10k honey for the Pulsar. So I'll be back in 20 mines when I get another 10k honey. So I went a little overboard, as you can see. But I have enough now, so let's buy it. But anyway, that's enough for this episode. See ya.